your gateway to digital transformation. We are an independent, vendor-neutral ISO IEC 1024 accredited certification body committed to helping individuals and organizations stay future-ready in a rapidly evolving world. GSDC is accredited by the Accreditation Board for International Certification Bodies, ABICB. For 10 years, we've certified more than 100,000 professionals across Europe, North America, Asia, and Africa, with our offices in Switzerland, the United States, and Singapore. Our programs are recognized by leading publications and podcasts, including Forbes, Tech Target, People Managing People. We offer 100-plus globally accredited certifications across emerging and in-demand domains like generative AI and emerging technologies, HR and learning and development, project management and agile Scrum, ISO and quality management, information security. Each GSDC certification is designed to empower professionals with confidence and help organizations stay competitive in a fast-changing landscape. Every certification is crafted with insights from 100-plus global advisory board members representing top universities and leading industry experts. Our certified professionals are trusted by 500-plus multinational companies, which help unlock better roles, faster promotions, and delivering cutting-edge expertise. We partner with 100-plus authorized training partners and 50-plus universities, supporting talent across all career levels, from entry-level to executive leadership. As a GSDC member, you gain lifelong access to interactive webinars, hands-on workshops, SME panels, and global summits. Join a vibrant community of 25,000-plus members and be part of our global events. Check our reviews on Trustpilot. We're trusted worldwide for quality, support, and impact. Whether you're aiming higher or building tomorrow's talent, GSDC is your partner in purposeful growth and impactful leadership. Visit our website to explore our offerings. GSDC, share the best practices and learn from the best practices. Welcome to the Global Skill Development Council, your gateway to digital transformation. We are an independent, vendor-neutral ISO IEC 1024 accredited certification body committed to helping individuals and organizations stay future-ready in a rapidly evolving world. GSDC is accredited by the Accreditation Board for International Certification Bodies, ABICB. For 10 years, we've certified more than 100,000 professionals across Europe, North America, Asia, and Africa, with our offices in Switzerland, the United States, and Singapore. Our programs are recognized by leading publications and podcasts, including Forbes, Tech Target, People Managing People. We offer 100-plus globally accredited certifications across emerging and in-demand domains like generative AI and emerging technologies, HR and learning and development, project management and agile Scrum, ISO and quality management, information security. Each GSDC certification is designed to empower professionals with confidence and help organizations stay competitive in a fast-changing landscape. Every certification is crafted with insights from 100-plus global advisory board members representing top universities and leading industry experts. Our certified professionals are trusted by 500-plus multinational companies, which help unlock better roles, faster promotions, and delivering cutting-edge expertise. We partner with 100-plus authorized training partners and 50-plus universities, supporting talent across all career levels, from entry-level to executive leadership. As a GSDC member, you gain lifelong access to interactive webinars, hands-on workshops, SME panels, and global summits. Join a vibrant community of 25,000-plus members and be part of our global events. Check our reviews on Trustpilot. We're trusted worldwide for quality, support, and impact. Whether you're aiming higher or building tomorrow's talent, GSDC is your partner in purposeful growth and impactful leadership. Visit our website to explore our offerings. GSDC, share the best practices and learn from the best practices. Welcome to the Global Skill Development Council, your gateway to digital transformation. We are an independent, vendor-neutral ISO IEC 1024 accredited certification body committed to helping individuals and organizations stay future-ready in a rapidly evolving world. GSDC is accredited by the Accreditation Board for International Certification Bodies, ABICB. For 10 years, we've certified more than 100,000 professionals across Europe, North America, Asia, and Africa, with our offices in Switzerland, the United States, and Singapore. Our programs are recognized by leading publications and podcasts, including Forbes, Tech Target, People Managing People. We offer 100 plus globally accredited certifications across emerging and in-demand domains like generative AI and emerging technologies, HR and learning and development, project management and agile Scrum, ISO and quality management, information security. Each GSDC certification is designed to empower professionals with confidence and help organizations stay competitive in a fast-changing landscape. Every certification is crafted with insights from 100 plus global advisory board members representing top universities and leading industry experts. Our certified professionals are trusted by 500 plus multinational companies, which help unlock better roles, faster promotions, and delivering cutting-edge expertise. We partner with 100 plus authorized training partners and 50 plus universities, supporting talent across all career levels, from entry level to executive leadership. As a GSDC member, you gain lifelong access to interactive webinars, hands-on workshops, SME panels, and global summits. Join a vibrant community of 25,000 plus members and be part of our global events. Check our reviews on Trustpilot. We're trusted worldwide for quality, support, and impact. Whether you're aiming higher or building tomorrow's talent, GSDC is your partner in purposeful growth and impactful leadership. Visit our website to explore our offerings. GSDC, share the best practices and learn from the best practices.
Hello dear participants, we'll wait 2 more minutes to join others and then after that we can start with the session. Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome to the Global Skill Development Council, your gateway to digital transformation. We are an independent, vendor-neutral ISO IEC 1024 accredited certification body committed to helping individuals and organizations stay future-ready in a rapidly evolving world. GSDC is accredited by the Accreditation Board for International Certification Bodies, ABICB. For 10 years, we've certified more than 100,000 professionals across Europe, North America, Asia, and Africa, with our offices in Switzerland, the United States, and Singapore. Our programs are recognized by leading publications and podcasts, including Forbes, Tech Target, People Managing People. We offer 100 plus globally accredited certifications across emerging and in-demand domains like generative AI and emerging technologies, HR and learning and development, project management and agile Scrum, ISO and quality management, information security. Each GSDC certification is designed to empower professionals with confidence and help organizations stay competitive in a fast-changing landscape. Every certification is crafted with insights from 100 plus global advisory board members representing top universities and leading industry experts. Our certified professionals are trusted by 500 plus multinational companies, which help unlock better roles, faster promotions, and delivering cutting-edge expertise. We partner with 100 plus authorized training partners and 50 plus universities, supporting talent across all career levels, from entry level to executive leadership. As a GSDC member, you gain lifelong access to interactive webinars, hands-on workshops, SME panels, and global summits. Join a vibrant community of 25,000 plus members and be part of our global events. Check our reviews on Trustpilot. We're trusted worldwide for quality, support, and impact. Whether you're aiming higher or building tomorrow's talent, GSDC is your partner in purposeful growth and impactful leadership. Visit our website to explore our offerings. GSDC, share the best practices and learn from the best practices. Welcome to the Global Skill Development Council, your gateway to digital transformation. We are an independent, vendor-neutral ISO IEC 1024 accredited certification body committed to helping individuals and organizations stay future-ready in a rapidly evolving world. GSDC is accredited by the Accreditation Board for International Certification Bodies, ABICB. For 10 years, we've certified more than 100,000 professionals across Europe, North America, Asia, and Africa, with our offices in Switzerland, the United States, and Singapore. Our programs are recognized by leading publications and podcasts, including Forbes, Tech Target, People Managing People. We offer 100 plus globally accredited certifications across emerging and in-demand domains like generative AI and emerging technologies, HR and learning and development, project management and agile Scrum, ISO and quality management, information security. Each GSDC certification is designed to empower professionals with confidence and help organizations stay competitive in a fast-changing landscape. Every certification is crafted with insights from 100 plus global advisory board members representing top universities and leading industry experts. Our certified professionals are trusted by 500 plus multinational companies, which help unlock better roles, faster promotions, and delivering cutting-edge expertise. We partner with 100 plus authorized training partners and 50 plus universities, supporting talent across all career levels, from entry level to executive leadership. As a GSDC member, you gain lifelong access to interactive webinars, hands-on workshops, SME panels, and global summits. Join a vibrant community of 25,000 plus members and be part of our global events. Check our reviews on Trustpilot. We're trusted worldwide for quality, support, and impact. Whether you're aiming higher or building tomorrow's talent, GSDC is your partner in purposeful growth and impactful leadership. Visit our website to explore our offerings. GSDC, share the best practices and learn from the best practices.
Hello dear participants, thank you so much for joining today's session. We'll be starting a session now. Please allow me a minute so I can share my screen and we can start. Here we go. I hope you all can see my screen. And again, thank you so much for joining today's session. I would love to give you all a very warm welcome to our series, Global Skill Development Council Certified Learning Must Know AI Strategy Series, from automation to autonomous intelligence in business, with a theme that is building the roadmap from AI automation to autonomy. My name is Preetham. I'll be here as moderator. Do let me know if you have any concern or question. Feel free to reach out to me over the chat box and I'm very happy to assist you all. And it was an amazing experience to host this entire series with this incredible panel of AI experts lined up for this week. So I have some upcoming announcement for the next week as well. So stay connected till the end of this session. And before I could hand over the mic to our speaker today, I would love to quickly introduce our hosting organization, GSDC. We're known as Global Skill Development Council. We are vendor agnostic, vendor neutral. We are globally recognized certification body, and we are accredited by ABICB and supported by World Press Hub. Also, we do have 100 plus authorized training partner across the globe. We have partners in Asia, Africa, Canada, America, and many other countries. So I would love to thank you to those who have joined us through our training partner channel. And in case if you're looking for any training program for yourself, feel free to reach out to our training partner. I'll share the contact details in the chat box so you can have an inquiry about it. And also, I'm very proud to inform you all that we do have 100 plus certification portfolio with us, and we have certified more than 250,000 professionals so far. And also, we are associated with 1,000 plus multinational corporates and 500 Fortune companies and 50 plus universities across the globe. Also, we do have 500 plus subject matter experts with us. They work with us closely to design our exams, programs, and all the deliverables. And I would love to introduce you all specifically to those who have joined us for the first time, that GSDC has introduced something exciting earlier. So this is a platform where we are providing 100 plus live sessions on AI, which is led by global experts. Monthly basis, you'll find this session where you'll be getting 4 daily session, 45 minutes of live impactful session along with the hands-on learning. This is the opportunity where you can get to learn directly from the AI leaders around the globe. Real-time practice, which means you can apply all the concept that you have learned in that particular session. And in case if you get any question or any doubts, that will be resolved instantly with the help of our subject matter experts. So this training is aligned with the industry standards for the job ready skills. How you can access to this GSDC AI Studio? You can start your learning right away for 14 days completely free, where you will be getting 80 plus live session each month and full GSDC access to full GSDC AI Studio. Next plan that you can go for is GSDC GSDC lifelong membership with $109, where you can get the access, lifetime access, 80 plus live session each month, full access to GSDC Studio, free GSDC membership, access to all our physical events, and LinkedIn profile improver. Last plan that you can go for is GSDC certification plus lifetime membership, which is limited time offer. You'll get it for $100, where you'll be getting access to all our GSDC certification, all benefits of lifetime membership, personalized coaching, capstone project plus AI tools, GSDC copilot and assessment tool. If you want more information regarding the GSDC AI studio, feel free to reach out to a learning advisor. They're always there to help. I'll share the contact details shortly in the chat box. So as I mentioned in my previous slide, we do have 100 plus certification portfolio, which almost include all the domain, that is L&D, HR, generative AI, agentic AI, emerging technologies, ISO, lead auditor and implementer, project management, PMO, agile DevOps, SRE, cybersecurity, digital transformation, and so on. So this certification is specifically designed for our professionals who are looking to upskill themselves or who wants to stay industry relevant in this AI era, right? So get in touch with a learning advisor for more information regarding all the certifications that we have, or you can check our website for more information, www.gsdcouncil.org. Check the information, and you can also check other offerings that GSDC has for all of you. What all benefits you will get if you opt out a certificate from the GSDC? You will become GSDC's member for a lifelong. With that, you will be getting certificate upgrade. You will be getting free access to all our workshop, boot camps, and you will be getting free access to all our exclusive learning program that we have. Along with that, you will be getting implementation resources, speaker invites, and newsletter. Too many benefits, right? So get in touch with our learning advisor to get to know more about these benefits, right? So I'll share the contact details shortly in the chat box. So without any further delay, I'm very pleased to welcome Rajeshwari Uthirapati again at the GSDC. It is her second session, and she'll be completing the topic today, designing guardrails that keep agentic AI safe, predictable, and aligned. I would love to tell you all about Rajeshwari. So Rajeshwari is a people leader with 14 years of experience across SaaS, fintech, and ITES organization. She began her career in sales and operations, working on UK-facing projects and client delivery, which gave her a strong grounding in business execution and customer-centric thinking. Over the years, Rajeshwari has partnered closely with leadership teams to build scalable people systems spanning performance management, engagement, culture, career frameworks, and compensation. Currently, she leads the people function at high growth startup, building core HR foundations from the ground up. Having contributed to organizations like Intellect, UCA, and Everstage, she brings a practical business aligned approach to HR, focused on doing work that is thoughtful, human, and genuinely useful rather than the performative. Thank you so much, Raji, for joining today's session. You can have the handover of the mic now. Thank you.
Hey, thank you, Preetham. That was a lot of kind words shared about me. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to folks who have joined across different locations across the world. So happy to have you all here, and thank you so much for taking the time out and joining the sessions. I'm not sure how many of you are from the first session, but I'm looking forward to engage with you guys on the ongoing series that we have. And I think it's great that GSDC is doing this whole series, which not only just connects a lot of people, but also it is kind of a knowledge sharing, best practices across various people, various segments, sort of brings a lot of things at one place. So yeah, I just thought I wanted to have a greetings to everybody, and I'll probably start with my session for today. Gonna share my screen, and you guys should tell me if it's working. All right, great. So yeah, so as Preetham said, this is the topic that we're going to talk about, the AI and the guardrails and how it's going to impact in the business segment that you guys are on, right? And so just trying to see if my mic is working. Yeah. All right. So in the first session, if there are anyone from the first session, just a quick recap. We learned how to let AI help with decisions while keeping us humans in control. So today's session, we are going to learn how to build safety systems that makes that possible. Think about it like this. In the last session, we spoke about when to let AI drive. Today, we're going to talk about the road itself, like the lines, the guardrails, the rules that keeps everyone safe. And by the end of this session, hopefully, we'll all come to a place where we know how to set guardrails that keep your AI systems predictable and aligned with what your organization actually wants. Yeah, with that, we will first try to understand what are guardrails, right? So, what exactly do they mean? Simply put, they are just safety rules that keeps AI working the way you want it to. Think of guardrails like the lines on the road, right? So you must be traveling on a road and you see a line that's there in between the two partitions where it gives you a sense of not just safety but a direction where to go. So first they keep things on track. So that's exactly what we are trying to do here. Just like the lane marking that guides your car, guardrails guide your AI to stay within safe boundaries. Secondly, they prevent accidents. Similar to the road situations that we have. Good guardrails catch problems before they happen. And before an AI sends a wrong message or makes an incorrect decision. Lastly, they build confidence for us. So when everyone knows the safety rules in place, they trust the system more. Your team, your customers, your leadership, your fellow colleagues, they all feel better knowing the guardrails exist. And how do we get that going? So here you have an example. Let me try to explain a little bit more about it throughout the session. So imagine your company has set an AI to handle customer support tickets. It's a very common thing, and a lot of companies today do this automation to enhance speed over quality, where there is a repetition of easy responses that can be sent without it requiring human intervention. Probably the L1 support, in other words, right, where it doesn't need a lot of brains to put into or resolve something. So an AI can do four things here. It can read, sort incoming tickets. It can draft responses to common questions. It can issue even refunds in some cases if you want to compensate a customer. And it can escalate complex issues to the human agent. So you must have experienced this even in your bot, even in any of the customer support bots that you would be using. Could be for a food delivery app, or could be any of the right now, even Amazon has a similar bot where you first talk to the bot and then it directs you to the human agent. So now this is pretty capable system, but without guardrails, what could go wrong? Can anyone think of an answer from the audience? Okay, I don't see any chat, but I'll try to answer that for you guys. So uh, the AI might respond inappropriately to a sensitive complaint. So that could be the first thing that's going wrong. It might issue refund. It shouldn't in some cases. It might promise things the company can't deliver. This is why we need guardrails. And we're going to see how we can build them in very easy format. So these are the these are the inputs that you could look for in terms of looking at the guardrails, right? Um, so so input guardrails are the first line of defense. These filter what goes into your AI system. So what you can see is here are the four key questions, right? Is the data valid? Is the request appropriate? Is the scope allowed? Is the source trusted? So, is the data valid, which means for our customer service AI, this means checking, is this a real email address? Is the ticket the proper format? So and forth. And is the request appropriate? Is something more on checking the language? Is it harmful or is it abusive? If a customer sends a threatening message, the AI shouldn't respond normally. So those are the things that the request thing would check in. Is the scope allowed? Is something where is a request something that AI is authorized to handle? Some tickets might need to go straight to the humans and not handled by the AIs. And lastly, is the source trusted? Is this coming from a verified customer? And we don't want the AI processing fake tickets. So these are some of the things that we can check, and that is going to tell the AI, is this a real customer? Is this the language appropriate? Does it contain any sensitive data before it sends out, or does it need masking? And what kind of ticket can the AI handle? So these are simple ways that you can put checks on an AI automation when you're doing it for your own organization. Now, let's we saw the input guardrails. We'll look at what is the output guardrails. Let's deep dive on it. So when you look at the output guardrails, the checks before anything goes out to the customer. So you have already done the part of keying in the inputs. Now we're going to look at the output that goes out from the system, right? Every AI output should be also reviewed. And here we are going to look at four things, which is accuracy, tone, the completeness, and compliance. Accuracy in form of, is the information correct? We don't want the AI telling customer wrong information about products or services or the policies of the company. The tone, is it professional and helpful? Does it even have a correct answer delivered? But is it delivering it rudely is a problem. So checking that tone, setting the tone, is it natural? Is it polite? So those kind of balances. And completeness, does it actually answer the question? Sometimes AI responses sound good, but don't address the customer, what the customer has actually asked. So just to ensure those things are actually resolved and not just a template sent out to the customer. Lastly, the compliance, does it follow the policies you have within your company? Like this is something very important also, because AI can't promise something which you can't keep up. So no promises done that we can't keep up, no private data exposed. Refund limit is only so much. So if it's only $50 that you could probably look at, it's probably $50 as the limit that's set. So we've got these input guards and output guards, uh, what we've seen in the last couple of slides. And let's look at how we all bring this together, how we make this happen into an action where you can look into implementing it. And I see it as a framework of align. And it's very simple, and it's something that it can be easily registered out. Um, A for articulate, L for limit, I for inspect, G for guide, N for notify. So it's also very relatable. And when you look into how you look at implementing AI process for your own self. So A for articulate is basically, like I said, the input guardrails, right? Define clear goals and values. What do you actually want this AI to do? What does success look like for this AI automation tool that you're looking at? L is the limit. Set the boundaries on what AI can do and cannot do. In our example, AI can only issue the refund of this cap. It cannot the cap of $50, which we spoke, and it can't go more than that. You can probably give two, three options, maybe $10 for something, $20 for another issue, $30 for another issue, but $50 as a maximum exception that the AI can do. You can do all that, but keep the limit. And I for inspect, monitor AI decisions regularly. This is something we covered even on the session one. So we can't just have an AI automation done and let it run in the background forever without looking at it. We have to have a monitoring done very regularly on the AI, on the decision, so that you not only know whether the output is correct or not, you can also fine tune the output that you're getting. So don't just set it and forget it. Look at what the AI is doing. Is it doing correctly, or is it doing not the one what you're looking for? And you can tweak it based on what you want. And G is for guide, provide feedback to improve. This is exactly what I was saying. So when the AI makes mistakes, that's learning material. So the more you feed in the context, the more you feed in with information, the more it's going to work better. So if it's doing something wrong and you find it, you have to provide its feedback. You want to course correct it. You want to give it more context so that the AI learns on what it's doing and it rebuilds on the next prompt or next answer. And then N is for align, and N is for notify. So whenever there is something, it has to alert humans as and when needed. So, so for example, our refund is at $50. The AI must notify the manager. So this aligns the AI behavior with company policy. So AI has to give you a data report of how many such cases that AI has taken a call to give the refund to each of the customer scenarios that we have. So align, so it's going to be very important. Articulate, limit, inspect, guide, and notify. Cool. That brings us to our slide number 8. Basically, this is something which goes back to our session 1. There's a lot of, we did discuss about control methods on when you're implementing an AI tool. Now let's connect that back to where we left, right? If there are someone who's from the earlier sessions, you would recollect it from what we are seeing today. So basically, the 4 control methods are approval checkpoints, confident checks, exception alerts, and weekly reviews. This is approval checkpoints is where the output guards require human approval for high stakes action. So before approving a big refund, a human reviews it. So let's say your $50 cap is the limit for a refund, but you want the AI to check with you if there is an exception of $100 for a certain scenario where you want to ensure that compensation goes to the customer. And for that cases, you want to be the person who makes the decision. So the AI comes to you and you review it, you approve it, and the AI process it. So that's approval checkpoints. Confidence checks. Process guards can pause when the AI isn't sure about something. If the AI is only 60% confident in its response, it should flag that. So you can set a prompt where the AI comes to you when it doesn't fills in 3 out of 5 check boxes. Let's say you've given 5 check boxes for the AI for it to act on its own to respond. And you can set a checkpoint where you ask the AI to connect to you if it's not if the 2 boxes out of the 5 is not checked from its end. So these cases come to you, it's flagged to you, and you at your own time take a look at only those checks. So that's something also you can do. Exception alerts, input guard flags unusual requests. Something looks weird, something looks off. Yes, alert a human before processing it. So something which is completely out of this 5 checklist that you've created for AI, and it's something not even part of the regular process. So AI flags it off as uh, not the regular one. It's looking very unusual for me. I'm going to push it to the human. So that's exception alerts. And the weekly reviews, all guards generate logs that human can review. We do have to set it up, but it can generate logs. This is how you spot patterns. This is how you improve your own AI automation over time. And a lot of this AI learns on its own. Like I said, the machine learning part comes in place where repeated information is given to it, and over time with the data that it has and the kind of inputs it gets, it builds on its own and gets better over time. So remember the simple rule. This is something we covered in session one also. Higher stakes equals to more human involvement, and with guardrails, what we are trying to set today in this session, it becomes something like higher stakes equals more guardrails plus more human involvement. So these are something that we'll need to keep in mind when we are looking at AI front organization. Cool. Now, coming to slide 9. So we are going to look at some practical steps. So yes, okay, Raji, we have seen all this. We have understood the essence of it, the framework, yes. But how do I go about it? What should I be doing this? And we've got the concepts, and this is how you can actually start. And I would look at it as 5 practical steps, as you can see here, right? List out what could go wrong. Sit down with your team and brainstorm. The people essential for this team could be your own team, the people who are facing the challenge, who want to solve something, plus your IT team, plus your cybersecurity team. These are the folks that you need to bring together and brainstorm. And what are the risks specific to your AI use case? So be very specific on what all could be the use cases that you're trying to solve here. Number 2 would be to set clear boundaries. Define what AI can and cannot do. Write it down. Make it explicit. So these are the things AI will decide. These are the things AI will come to you. These are the things it's going to flag as an exception or not do anything, and it's going to store the data. And the entire log of reports is going to come to me here for all of these 3 cycles. So set out very clear boundaries. Make sure you understand what AI can do and cannot do. So that way it is easier for you to get the implementation in the way that you wanted. The third point I would say is that add checkpoints. Insert human review at critical moments. Wherever there are high stake decisions, just add yourself, probably at least for the first 2 months, 3 months, to see how the AI is reacting, how the AI is making decisions, so that later on you can remove those checkpoints. But at the initial period, do add these checkpoints, especially when there is a high stake decisions. And the fourth step, I would say, is test your guards. Try to break them before you launch, right? Test it thoroughly, like ask any kind of questions, whatever you can think. Even you can give it to a pilot batch within your organization, completely a different team. So they try and ask whatever they want to ask. That way you identify the bugs and issues at an early stage. And if there are something that you can incorporate, you can do that even before the launch. So actually try getting your own trying to what I'm trying to say is actually try to get around your own guardrails, right? So you would have set certain rules which you would know, so you would probably not break them, but try to give it to somebody else in your team and let them test it. So if if you can break them, so can the real situations, right? So experiment, I mean, expand the scenarios as much as possible, so you know where it can break, and you can add a better prompt, or add an additional checkpoint, or create a new boundary. So those things can be taken care before you set it out for launch. And lastly, review and improve it. So guardrails aren't set and forgotten. Review them regularly, update as you learn, add more source data, add more features if you want. So if you've set a particular chatbot, and you have just the source material to give the customers answers, try to improvise that over time. Maybe it can answer on its own as a question that the customer is looking for, instead of just picking up the data from a source material. So build on top of it is what I would say. Right. So that brings us to the last slide for the day. We are looking at the key takeaways. Uh, uh, the three things that I would put across here is first, guard your gates. Input, process, and output guardrails work great together. Uh, so you need all three to really protect your AI systems. Second, stay aligned. Use the aligned framework. Articulate your goals. Limit the AI. Limit what AI can do. Inspect regularly, guide the feedback, and notify humans when needed. And third, start simple. You don't need to have a perfect guardrail on day one. Begin with basic rules and improve over time. Uh, do something, I mean, implement it and then iterate it and iterate fast. So every guardrail you add is a progress. So it doesn't have to be like the perfect setup and you have to wait for it to launch. Remember, AI is something that is going to learn over time. So you can even start with a simple format and you can build on top of it over time. By then, you also get a flair of what it is performing and how you can better it. So, yes, so with that, I'm going to wrap my session for today. I will have another session as the last one in this whole series from my end next week again, where we are all going to put things together and we'll ensure that is also informative for you guys and you can take back something from there. Thank you guys. I hope you took away something from this session and you found it beneficial. Over to you, Preetham.
Yes, Raji, thank you so much for another wonderful session, and we look forward to have the last one session soon. So I encourage everyone to please join the last session as well. I'll be announcing all the upcoming series in my next slides. So as we are open for the Q&A, if you have any question for Raji, I would love to hear some questions in the chat box. So drop your questions right away, as we still have 10 to 15 minutes, right, Raji? We can cover the question. So I encourage you all to drop the question if you have any, and we'll wait for your question. And meanwhile, I would love to tell you all, I do have some great announcement regarding the certifications, and as I mentioned, upcoming webinars. So stay connected till the end and let us know if you have any questions. I can see one question from Satyanarayana: how to validate the guardrails and when to do.
Um, how to validate the guardrails. So it just depends on you, right? Start with something minimum, what needs to be addressed without a big risk. You can always add more. Better to have few strong guardrails than many weak ones. So you have to take a conscious call on what are the strong guardrails and instead of just putting 10 different guardrails which are very weak and not essentially important. So I would say that that would help you to validate the guardrails on when to do it and how to do it. Um, yeah.
All right, thank you so much, Raji. So, dear participants, I'll be sharing Raji's LinkedIn profile link in the chat box. You can find it. So, feel free to reach out to her if you have any question or any concern regarding the topic she has covered today. I believe she's more than happy to help you all. So, kindly reach out to her. Or, if you have any question for GSDC, you can share your question over the social media, tag GSDC, and we'll make sure that we'll be getting back to you with the answer. So, do we have any further question? Please do let me know yes, no, so we can proceed further with the closing. Thank you. Okay, meanwhile, we get a question. I would love to share today's challenge with all of you. Kindly take the screenshot, and I believe you all know what you have to do next, right? So, you have to complete your challenge, and with the result and outputs, you have to share it over social media, and you have to tag GSDC and Raji. That's how we will able to track you, and we'll be getting back to that professional. One of the tasks that we find most creative, right? So we'll be getting back to them with the surprise gift. So we are keeping eye on it. So I encourage you all to complete the challenge. It's kind of hands-on learning you'll be getting after each session, right? So do complete it, and once you take the screenshot, please do let me know in the chat box so I can move to the next slide. So I consider you have taken the screenshot. So before I move forward with the closing, I would love to request Raji to share your final thoughts with all our participants today.
Yeah, I mean, it's been great session, and I think this is a series where you get a continuity on what is AI and how it can help you, and what are the things that you need to keep in mind when looking at an AI implementation and kick off the whole launch. Right? There are very simple AI tools that you have, and you can build it on your own. You don't even have to spend a lot of time, and even in your Google you have a lot of very small bots or tools that is embedded. You can just go search for it and add it to your calendar, or add it to your any kind of Google Forms or PPT or anything, so that it makes your life easier. You should leverage a lot ChatGPT, Cloud, and Perplexity. Right, a lot of these tools, especially Claude and Perplexity, they get you a prompt engineering. They have sub tools within each of these AIs, like within each of them, where you can you all know image creation is very famous. So like that, you also have coding available. So you just write your prompt, and it throws you the best prompt, best code that you need for a particular product development. So I think it starts with curiosity and learning, and you should explore these tools extensively, and it can give you a lot more information beyond what we just discussed today. But for the session 3, we are going to put everything together, or whatever we covered in session 1 and session 2 from my side, and we'll probably do a small exercise which you can actually which can actually help you design your own AI implementation with everything that you picked up from this. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all again next week, and sharing my 2 cents to you all again.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you so much, Raji. Will look forward to your another session. So, as I mentioned, all the participants, I do have some great announcement for all of you. So, this is regarding the today's featured session we had on. You can opt out for any of this certification. You can use this promo code as AI20 to get 20% discount. You can opt out for certified AI tool expert, generative AI professional, foundation, agentic AI professional, and foundation. If you need more information regarding this certification, feel free to reach out to a learning advisor. You will find the details in the chat box. So the certifications are globally recognized one, where we are providing learning resources, where you'll be getting a lot of case studies to work on, e-learnings, and book of knowledge. These certifications are lifelong learnings, which gives you learning flexibility as well, and you'll be getting chance to connect with our training partner channel, and you'll be having opportunity to work on capstone project, that is something real-time AI simulation practice. So do grab this opportunity and do sign up yourself for this certification program. And this is regarding the utility tool. This tool will help you to improve your LinkedIn profile score, your AI skills score. You can use this AUG100 as a code to get 100% off, which means completely free. And this is only for our webinar attendees. You'll find the utility link in the chat box. and I'm happy to make this announcement that we'll be continuing this series next week as well, 2nd to 6th February 2026, with this incredible panel of AI experts we'll be having lined up for this series. Please make a note of the time zone. It will be on the same time zone, 7:30 a.m. Central, 9:30 p.m. Singapore, 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be continuing the ISO series that we are conducting currently. So the ISO leadership reset, building a resilient, secure and accountable enterprise. We have industry experts lined up for this session as well. This is also scheduled next week, 2nd to 6th February 2026. The time, that is 8:30 a.m. Central, 10:30 p.m. Singapore, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This session will be happening. And this is the last series we'll be conducting on the L&D. So we do have panel of experts lined up for this as well for the next week, 2nd to 6th February. So I request you all, please join us, or you can refer your friends and colleagues to our sessions. You'll find all the registration link along with the WhatsApp link in the chat box. If you scroll up a little bit, I have already shared the WhatsApp link, community link, and the registration link, so you can reshare those links with your network. Let's congratulate to these champions, referral champions, who have referred maximum people to our session. I appreciate them for taking the efforts by referring people to our sessions, powerful sessions like this, right? So we'll be getting back to all the winners at the end of this webinar series with the rewards, which is worth $400. So you still have a time to refer maximum people. As I mentioned, that we'll be getting back to all the winners at this end of the series. So please do refer maximum people to our sessions. And in case if you're looking for any speaker opportunity at GSDC, feel free to reach out to us. As you all know, we do have a global platform for you, learning capsule, webinar, and podcast. You can share your speaker profile with me at pritham@gsdcouncil.org or pratibha@gsdcouncil.org. We'll make sure your profile is getting reviewed by the management, and once all the criteria gets met, we'll be definitely getting back to you with the speaker opportunity. And we would love to connect with you all over social media. Scan this QR, connect with us over LinkedIn, check our website for more information, connect with us over the WhatsApp group to get daily update on event, webinar, boot camps that we often conduct for all of you. And please do connect us over the community group, where you'll be getting more information regarding the certification program and any new launch that we'll be doing with the certifications. And please do share your valuable feedback and let us know how you're finding our sessions, and it will give us an idea where to improve, right? So please do share your valuable feedback on Trustpilot and reviews.io. You'll find the link in the chat box. And thank you so much for joining today's session and supporting throughout this entire week. We look forward to have you all again for the next week series. Until then, keep learning and take care of yourself. Thank you, Raji. I'll see you again. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, and see you.